My name's Levi Shaver. I'm the owner of Watt Saw Shop here in Troy, Montana. We're located at 105 West Missoula Avenue, down across from the Silver Spur. And our hours of operation, usually wintertime, we're Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 5, closed Saturday through Monday. Come April 1, we open on Saturdays from 9 to noon. So some of the services that we do offer in our breakdown repair is we do obviously our chainsaw maintenance repair, anywhere from full overhauls to standard spring fall services. We do offer chain sharpening. We do quite a bit of ATV work here as well. Motorcycles, really anything that's geared toward the recreational enthusiast and or the working guy as well. So this year we're actually expecting quite a few changes around here. Some have already taken place early on in the year. We're actually looking at some facility expansion, which is going to be incredibly helpful to our efficiency of this business. We're working with another company that's going to be coming out in May here of what it is we're exactly doing. But we're going to be able to the parts manufacturing in-house by doing some of our own gaskets and lightly building certain components for stuff that's out of circulation. So kind of setting us off a little bit from other dealers and other dealerships. So we're able to be innovative and specialize that way. And that's something that we've worked incredibly hard on here, and we're very proud to be able to announce that. We're just here to support the customer on a much faster basis. If we can keep things moving, constantly flowing, obviously the profit part of that is very important for us as a business, but it's also important for the consumer as well. Our experience stems back quite a long way, really. The small engine bug bit me as a young child at probably about 7, 8 years old when I started rebuilding carburetors. I was really into these model airplanes, and the same carburetor that's used on a 372 XP Husqvarna chainsaw is really what a lot of these Zenoa engines used back in the early 90s. So it's kind of always been there, and that was a stemming into a whole other lifetime career of aviation, it felt like, which took me all over the place. I really enjoy being able to kind of keep that incorporated from the very beginning. We also, and part of our services and dealer services that we provide here is we're also a registered license with the state secondhand power sports dealer. So, there people that want the new stuff can go and buy the new stuff, but we have kind of decided to go a different route that way and be able to offer it more of an affordable rate, as parts of Lincoln County aren't. Not everybody has $50,000 to go buy something. So we just try to accommodate everybody in that aspect with the financial part of it. It's just we care about the business and the people